Hello guys, welcome to our halftime show. Okay, so here, kung first time nyo manood, we talk about all the movers of the PSE for the week. So, ano yun, yung mga movers, winners and losers for the first three trading days. So that's Monday to Wednesday. All of the biggest movers, winners and losers ang gusto natin pag-usapan. Okay, this is not a video about stock picks, but while discussing the movers, you might get a little tips from me habang, 'di ba? Habang dinidiscuss natin yung chart. So, it's just Wednesday but ang dami nang gumalaw. Today, PXP moved. Last week, NIKL Asia. So, ano nang ginagawa nila ngayon? We want to check ano yung mga nangyayari sa iba-ibang stocks kasi some of us are not aware kung ano yung mga movers and ano yung mga losers and ano yung mga fake na moves and ano yung totoong moves. So, I created this website and video para ma-update kayo kung sa current events and I mean to give support to traders out there. Okay, so tara, let's check it out. Nag-status ako sa Instagram and then I asked you guys to also comment kung anong gusto nyong stocks na ano na i-discuss natin para lang may added added stocks na i-discuss. So anyway, this is the chart of the United States, ito US. Okay, makikita natin this is 26,900. So it's just 2% away from the all-time high. Okay, so kahit na nagda-trade war, the US Dow Jones nandiyan pa rin near the all-time high. Okay, so it's important to just check on what's happening around the world. Okay, so let's check out the PSE chart. Okay. Yan, okay. So PSE now is at 7,960. And then we see this yellow line. This is the 50-day moving average. So this will be our initial resistance. So as of now, this index could go sideways or ranged here within this range and hit this resistance at 8,000. Okay. But kahit naman nasa range yung PSE, marami rin gumagalaw na underlying stocks, non-index stocks that are moving. Okay? So, if you look at the index, parang, ay, wala naman nangyayari sa index. Pero sa totoo lang, underlying issues, maraming gumagalaw, nagbe-break out. Okay? So, okay, unahin natin muna yung winners for today. First winner for today will be PXP. Okay, PXP, which is very, very sensitive to the news. PXP move dahil may sinabing news article na tutuloy na lang, sabi ni President Duterte, gusto niya na tumuloy yung deal. Okay, so you can find that here at the news section, clarification of news reports. Parang they said that they're in talks, ganon, kung may ano silang dun sa PXP property, share na lang daw sila or whatever. So, umangat today. So, up today ng 11%. Okay, but regardless of that news, pinag-usapan ko na to nung Sunday dun sa premium charting for our members na this can be bought here around 10.60, 10.50 and put your stop at 10 or 10.10. So, we can see our 50-day, it's here. So, kung kilala nyo ako, meron akong ginawang video about the range trade, how to range trade stocks on the 50-day support. So, here we saw PXP drop all the way to 10 dito. And then, nag-retest dito sa 1040, 1050, and then boom. So, if you're not aware of any news, actually, mabibili mo rin to dito yesterday at around 11 pesos. You can even buy it. So, there's no excuse to buy this at 11. And then, let's check, okay? Makakuha ka ng 10% rally, okay, to that resistance. Okay, so meron pa, baka pwede pang mag-14. But, syempre, it's very, very hard to chase. So, huwag kang manghabol. Okay, relax lang. Anyway, another mover for today is Surpass. Surpass, sabi nila, unit nila to Globe or whatever. So, umakyat bigla, nag-spike lang bigla. Okay, so this is, I don't think it's a very, very significant move. So, yan, umangat today. Pero, downtrend pa rin yan. So, hindi natin binibigyan masyado ng pansin. Take note that X is, I think, losing money. So, nakita natin clearly downtrend yung chart niya, okay? So, if this will reverse, it will take a while pa bago mag-reverse. Okay. Next stocks na gusto natin pag-usapan, let's talk about the nickel stocks, okay? Since umakyat sila last week, so maraming nakabang kung akit pa ba or what. Okay, so let's talk about Nickel Asia. Okay, Nickel Asia, we can see this pattern. Yan. So, ngayon, this is the stock that, this is a pattern that I always buy. This is called a falling flag or a pennant. And then, what usually happens here is like this, okay? Okay, here. Yan. I draw the line here sa taas. And then, draw dito sa baba. Yan. Okay. Medyo naglag. Okay. So here. So we can see this line. And then when it breaks above 435, you will buy 440 area and put your stop at 440. So, yan yung, okay, that's so, yan yung isang, trading tip. Okay. Anyway, so ano ba mangyayari dito sa Nickel Asia? Akit ba or what? I hope this goes up immediately up to siguro initial target of 5. So as you can see, at 5 pesos from today, that's around 15%. Malaki rin yon if ever gusto mo mag-testo ng previous high, which is around 490 to 5, that will give you around 14% return. Okay, but it might do that and then go back again here. Okay? So, anong in-expect natin? Baka magkaroon ng range dito sa itaas. But yung upside natin ngayon from today will still be at least 12% to 14% pag nag-retest siya ng 5 pesos. Why bakit pwedeng mag-sideways? Okay. So, first things first, you have to take in consideration that this stock went up from 260 all the way to 5. That's up 94% in 3 days or 4 days. So when a stock moves that fast in a short period of time, naturally magkakaroon ng correction through price or through time. Okay, so this can go for a duration, but it can immediately test the new highs at $5. Okay, another scenario, hindi naman pwedeng all positive. It can move back down to the 10-day MA or move here at the 20-day MA, which is medyo malayo na rin, but this has an ADX of 42, meaning momentum is very, very strong and it's with you. So that's why I like this one, but I just put my stop at 420 just to be safe. So I have a risk of 15 cents with a reward of 62. Okay, so that's 1:4 risk reward at least, okay? At the most pala. Okay, next up is FNI. Okay, FNI, same chart, but this is weaker. So from 140 to 197, only up 33%. So if ever gusto mo naman mag-trade ng mas mid-cap, trip mo to, o sige, trade mo to. So yan, sinabi ko rin sa kanila, I mean, like, and to my premium members, that put your cut at 1.6 dito sa immediate low or the support, just to be safe. But if you want to really, really play the big the big move, it will be NIKL Asia because most of the fund flow and liquidity are there. So FNI will be just a second option, and then pareho rin siya sa Fero. Okay, so kung pipili lang ako, dun ako sa leader kesa sa ano lang, second choice. So wala namang may gusto mag-trade, maging second choice. So we always stick with the number one, okay? NIKL Asia. Yan, so far. Let's check out. Okay, tapos yung Now Corporation naglabas ng news. Diba? They extended their contract tapos to provide internet to the Philippines. Okay. So, nag-gap up siya. Okay, nag-gap up siya dito sa nung Monday nag-gap up. Okay, sobrang taas pero ngayon bumalik. This can fill the gap. Okay, so nag-gap siya ng malaki. Laki na natin yung chart. So, nag-gap ng dito. Sobrang up. Hindi naman sobra. Up ng 25%, 27%. So, ngayon bumalik. Nag-fill siya ng gap dito. And then, walang follow through. So, I'm not really sure, okay? So, if you just follow this, is nasa isang malaking range lang siya, okay? So, if you want to range trade it, you can buy it near 310 or 3 pesos and then sell it near a range of 430. Range lang yan. But besides that, wala naman masyadong ano. So, I can trade other stocks. But gumalaw rin yung ECP. So, we want to talk about that kasi mover din siya. Ano ba meron sa ECP chart? We'll just check. Okay, gumalaw rin siya last week. Tapos nag-pump hanggang 16. Then ngayon, it's back at 10. So, these are the stocks that I usually try to avoid because there's no liquidity and this just a typical pump and dump scenario usually. It looks like one, but I'm not saying it is. And then we can see yung isa pa dito. Okay, so ito. Itong mga to is ARA. Okay. ARA. Ayan. Downtrend pero umakyat. So, hindi ko masyado papansinin yan. DFNN. See, every time may mga lines, hindi natin papansinin yan because meaning nun, very liquid siya. Meaning, wala namang use yun masyado. Okay? So, we can look at the other ones, other movers. Okay? So, now, babasahin ko yung mga request nila sa Instagram. Okay? And then, okay. This is IDC. Umakyat ng sobrang taas last week. And then, we saw it go down in one day. Inubos niya yung profits mo. 20% down in one day. So, very, very, if gusto mo siya i-trade, kailangan mabilis ka. Hindi ka pwedeng passive trader for me. I think IDC is for the very active trader because pag bumili ka dito sa consolidation here above 7.5, 7.6, ditong area na to, tapos in-expect mo, cut mo 7.4 at this area, tapos nag-CR ka, nakipag-date ka, tapos pagkita mo, from 740, 680 na lang. Nag-hesitate ka, 640 na lang. Tapos hindi ka nag-cut, naging 6 pesos na lang. Okay, so ang laki ng downsides. Ngayon, nag-rally na naman. So stocks like this are very, very hard to trade. So I suggest if you are trading, trade with a very, very small position or not trade this. Kasi minsan, nadidisgrasya ka. So yung cut mo na 740, naging 620 na lang. So that's a very, very far na cut. Pero if you want to talk charts, so now it's at a support, 50-day support. So gusto mo bilhin sa 50-day. And then yellow line natin is 50-day. Bilhin mo dyan, 620. Now, you're up. But yung mga galaw na ganito, nakakatakot kasi pwedeng mamaya galawin niya ulit yan, pababa, di isa pang ganon. 5, pwedeng ganon eh. So it can, so whenever you trade these kind of stocks, you have to be just more careful. Okay, ano pa ba? Okay. KPPI, one of the movers, but nag-fail today. Okay? Di pa naman fail. Yesterday, umakyat siya. So, if you buy here, you put your cut at 10 bucks. Okay? Now, it's nag-down today. Pero maliit lang naman yung down, 4% down compared to the up niya yesterday. So, this can just rest here and then continue higher. So, pwedeng ganyan. Yan. Tapos pwedeng ganon. Yeah? So, just to be safe, if you want to participate, you can buy it at around 11 and put your stop at 10. Okay? So, for those of you yung mga nanonood, di ba parati pag nagsasalita ako, sinasabi ko put your stop here at 10, put your stop here at 12, put your stop here at this price. Because lahat ng traders, of course, parati pag nag-trade ka, you need to have an exit point before you enter. So now, I'm establishing the exit point at 10 pesos. So, sinasabi ko, pag nag-enter ka sa 10.88, kailangan benta mo sa 10, meaning nun, pag nag-10 siya, bababa na yung stock, meaning you're wrong, and then this can go down further. So that's why you put your stops at certain price levels. Okay. PHEN, okay? Maraming nagtatanong PHEN. Ano bang meron sa PHEN? Ganda ng chart. Nasa resistance. Chart-wise, it's ganda ng chart. It's a very uptrend, 52-week high. Ito lang yung one of the stocks na nasa 52-week high currently, one of the strongest stocks. But the problem is, sinasabi nila, the resistance is at 3. Yes, correct. 3 pesos. You can see here at 3 pesos, there's a lot of sellers. Okay, here. So at 3 pesos, there's 13 million. At 2.99, there's 5 million shares. At 2.98, 1 million shares. Sa 301, 302, meron din hanggang 305. Okay, so that's why it's called resistance. Okay? So, pag akong tatanungin mo, I would rather buy it when it closes above 3. So, last week ko pa sinasabi yan. Instead of buying at 296, why don't you buy it at 305? And na-clear na yon resistance. When you're buying at 296, you have a clear resistance at 3. It can go back down to 280. Or it can even go back down to the 50-day, which is at 266. I'm not saying na, hindi ko sinasabi na sure ako aakyat. Hindi ko rin sinasabi na bababa ito hanggang 50-day. In trading, anything is possible, but I'm just saying the chances of it breaking 3 is low now. So, sinasabi ko, bilhin mo siya above 3, which is at 303 or 305, or pag nag-close above 3, meaning naubos nyo na lahat ng resistance na ito. Kaya nag-close siya above 3. Because 4 days ago, nag-305 yan, but it failed to hold above 3 because marami pang gusto mag-profit take or gusto mag-sell at 3 pesos. Okay? So that's my take on this. Moving on. PPG daw. Okay, PPG. PPG is now at 9.8. Antayin natin mag-load. Oh. Oh, okay. So, ayaw niya mag-load. So, we'll just look at the other requests first. Okay, GSMI daw. Ano to? Okay, GSMI is on a downtrend. Okay? Pero ngayon, we can see it reversing. Meaning, it's up nasa itaas na siya ng 10-day, ngayon nabasag na rin niya yung 20-day. So, ang initial target natin dito is the 50-day, which is at 57.4. So, if ever gusto mo bilhin dito sa area na to, pwede mong gawing cut mo 50 pesos, tapos target natin 57. So, sa nagtatanong ng GSMI, currently reversing, trying to reverse, okay? Abacor Corporation. Okay, so here, na-discuss natin last week that ang laki ng rally na to, itong rally na umangat ito. Okay? This one, that's a 30% rally. Okay? So, bakit ba nag-rally doon? So there must be a reason ba't nag-rally yon. Okay, and then nag-stabilize yung price dito sa area na to. 85 to 90 consolidation, and then today it broke out up to 93, but as you can see, may resistance tayo ng 93 because that's the 50-day MA, but it's still ngayon nagka-cross na above ng 10 and 20, so nandito siya sa gitna. Okay, naiipit siya sa gitna ng moving averages. Okay, it's dito nagko-consolidate, nagkakaroon ng accumulation here. So if this moves higher to 95 or near 1 peso, kailangan natin i-monitor because it's gonna be almost near the all-time high. If it hits 1, pag nasa 1 na yan, it's just 10% away from the all-time high. So ang sinasabi ko lang, that this move, siguro may something dito sa move na to. I don't know what, but that's why it went up that fast. And then now it's may continuation, okay? So this remains to be on my watch list. And I bought around here at around 88 cents. Okay. Okay. Tech. Okay, I talked about this last Sunday, but for you guys, I'll talk about it again. Okay. This is a reversal pattern, okay? Reversal meaning it's on a downtrend trying to go into an uptrend. So here today, 3 days ago, it reversed from 10 pesos, 13 something. It's up 30%. Okay, up 30% in 2 days. Okay, tapos ngayon bumabalik, nag-retrace. Okay, up 30% ngayon from the high. Wait lang. Zoom natin, zoom. Okay, from the high. Yan. From the high down naman ng 15%. Okay, so this can be a reversal, correct? And then the initial target would be the 50-day for me, and then that's at 14.3. Okay, so you have a 22% upside. Okay, so yun yung gusto ng mga tao, yung upside. Okay, so this is a reversal pattern, but parati pag reversal pattern, it will take a while. Okay, so this one, tech, nagre-reverse siya. So this can go up here, 14 tomorrow. Okay, then happy lahat. But this can move like this and form a sideways consolidation pattern here. Okay, so to get a clearer picture kung paano yon, my example for this will be ABS-CBN. Okay, so yung current situation ng tech ngayon is what happened sa ABS nung nagre-reverse siya ditong part. So nandito pa lang tayo sa stage na to. We're just here in the early stages of that reversal. Yan, dito. Andyan siya. Okay? Andyan siya. And then, after yung mag-reverse, magkakaroon pa ng, after nitong maiksing reversal na to, magkakaroon pa isang malaking reversal and then a new one. So, medyo matagal yung process ng reversal. So, huwag kayo matakot FOMO. Meaning, maghahabol ka sa mahal na price. But, tech, The chart looks like a reversal. You know, it's a clear downtrend. Drawing tayo ng line. Okay, na dyan pa. Yan yung downtrend. Oh. So, again, matagal na process pero it's possible to go back to 13 or 14 and medyo illiquid din siya. So, you have to be careful in trading these stocks, okay? Okay. We can see FLI, okay. The Pogo issue is sabi nila, yan, hindi raw affected. So dito yung nakita natin dito, ito yung upward channel. So nakita natin nag-break ng 50-day MA and then after it broke, dire-diretso na siya. Dire-diretso. But now, take note ito, gusto lang natin, yung positive thing at current positive thing about this, it formed a higher high. Okay? Higher high. Okay? So it's a reversal pattern here. And then from 155, nag-form ng higher high dito. And then sana higher high ulit. Leading up to the next initial target, if you want to play the bounce play for this, it will be 1.8 here at the 50-day MA. So from today's price, you can get 8% upside. Okay? Yan. Medyo mahaba na. Okay, dami na ko. Yun. Pepsi. Okay? Pepsi. Last but not the least, one of my current favorite stocks, PepsiCo. Okay, PepsiCo, we saw this resistance at 2 pesos. We'll draw that line here and then the support here at 1.60. Okay. Okay, so this is a tight consolidation. Given a range dito, if we can measure this range from 1.63 to 2, that's around 35 cents. So, pag nag-breakout yan, consolidation na yan, dapat yung breakout ng range na yon is around the same range nung consolidation here. So, that's 35 cents. So, the target would be from 2, it will be plus 35 cents, it will be 235. Okay, by definition. But, as you can see now, nandito na siya sa itaas ng 2. Yung sinabi ko nung Sunday, this can go back to 2 because nag-breakout siya and then always the previous support, the previous resistance will become the support. So bumalik ng 2, bumalik ng 2, ay ngayon 208 na. Okay, so this can go to new high tomorrow, boom. Okay, scenario 1. Scenario 2, this can just go sideways here and then move higher after 4 weeks. So those are the two scenarios that I am looking at. And the third scenario na ayaw nyo marinig, medyo bearish yan pag bumalik dito sa below 2 at around 190 or at least the 50-day support at the 185. Okay? Yun. So, ano pa ba? PPG pala, hindi lumalabas kanina yung chart. Okay. Invalid symbol, meaning ayaw niya pa-discuss yung PPG. Ayaw lumabas. Okay. Pag ayaw lumabas, hindi ko na di-discuss. Yan. Okay. Buti na lang. Okay. So, PPG naman, it's the same. Chart is on uptrend, meaning malakas din yung chart niya. Nandito na sa 980 na. Okay? Nakita natin last week, ito, nagkabentahan dito. Okay? Yan. Okay, so lahat ng bumili dun sa taas, syempre nag-cut sila ng loss or nag-take ng profit yung ibang tao, kaya bumalik. So ngayon, after nun, nag-quiet down, 8 na lang ulit. So, umakyat siya slowly. So, umakyat yung price. Hindi ko rin alam bakit, but Maybe there's some underlying reasons why binibili siya. Maybe it's cheap or what. So price is the leading indicator, meaning price yung nauuna bago magkaroon ng news. So meaning, I don't know what's happening here, but umaakyat. Anyway, chart, it looks good. Resistance will be at 10. Immediate resistance dito sa 10, 11 pesos. Yan. And then the next will be at 13 bucks. Okay? Yan. So it's ngayon nasa uptrend. So if ever you want to catch it, you might want to check or buy it near the 10-day MA, which is now at 9 pesos. So you can buy on support. Okay? Yun lang, no? So, I think masyadong mahaba na yung sinabi ko, okay? So we have 2 more trading days left, bukas, Thursday and Friday. Every day may opportunity. Imagine mo if kahapon nakabili kang PXP, now you're up big. Who knows what might move tomorrow, NIKL Asia. So I suggest you every day, kailangan mo mag-chart, show up to work, trade, do your homework, and then prepare. Okay, so haba na ng video natin. I hope lahat ng sinabi ko helped you guys para ready kayo for the upcoming trading days. Okay, so if you want to subscribe to my premium content, can you please email me at boomieuniversity@gmail.com. But if you want free lang, you can just subscribe here at my YouTube channel. This will be every Wednesday to update you guys with the movers and losers. So, but the premium members, they have the dibs on the picks and that twice a week in charting videos, and then a lot more stuff going on to my website. Okay, check it out. If you want, email me. If hindi, okay naman, just like and share this video. So, lahat tayo maging aware so ano nangyayari sa market natin. So, good luck for the next 2 trading days for the week or for the next week if you are just watching the video. I'll see you guys again next Wednesday for the next update. So, I hope we make money tomorrow or next week until next week. So, that's it. Thank you for watching. Bye.